Hi, Kenneth B, Blue Collar Guy. Just giving you a side-by-side comparison of my bike versus Raymond's bike. He's got a different type of seat on his bike, and I've got the extra brakes on mine, and he's still using the standard brakes, which are still working okay. So you can use them, just so you know. And I've got blinkers on my bike as well, front and back, with mirrors. So anyways, that's just a quick side-by-side shot. You're not going to see too many shots like that, that's for sure. You got about $6,000 in bicycles sitting here, so you're not going to see that. I've also got the suspension seat post on mine, and he is not using that, so that's what it looks like without. So side-by-side comparison. All right, bye. Thank you.